Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Rosemere is a charming and lush town, located on the north shore of the rivière de Mille Îles in Quebec. This beautiful suburb of Montreal is known for its greenery, upscale homes, and serene atmosphere. The town's history dates back to 1714, with the establishment of the Mille Îles Seigneury. By the late 18th century, the area was thriving with agriculture. The name Rosemere was inspired by the wild roses that once flourished here, combined with the Old English word mere, meaning a lake. This poetic name perfectly reflects the town's natural beauty. Rosemere began as a summer retreat, but eventually evolved into a vibrant bedroom community for Montreal. It maintains a harmonious balance of French and English-speaking residents, each contributing to the town's rich culture. One of the highlights of Rosemere is its commitment to preserving green spaces. The town is surrounded by trees and features scenic spots like Lac Charette, where you can enjoy kayaking, relaxing walks, or simply soaking in a peaceful environment. For those who love exploring local history, the Rosemere Historical Society offers fascinating insights into the town's past. Getting here is easy, thanks to the well-connected commuter train station on the Saint Jerome line, linking Rosemere to Montreal. Whether you're a fan of natural beauty, history, or simply a tranquil escape, Rosemere has something to offer. Thanks for joining us as we explore this delightful town.